How to slow down video in CapCut, because sometimes we want to decrease the speed of video in CapCut. In this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So firstly, open the CapCut. So after opening the CapCut, here is the option of new project. So click on new project. So after this, here it will show your gallery. So from your gallery you have to select the video. So here, for example, I am selecting this video. So after selecting, click on add options. So here you can see it will show in the CapCut. So after this, here is the option of edit. So now I will show this video. So you can see this video have now this speed. So now I will decrease the speed. So firstly, here is the option of speed. So just click on speed. So after this, click on normal, and then here move these options to the left side. So you can see when I will play now, this have slow speed. So guys, in this way you can slow down or decrease the speed of video. So if you want to decrease speed of different part of video, so firstly you have to split the video. So for splitting, firstly select the video. So after this, you can see the options of split. So just click on split. So after this, select that part from which you want to decrease the speed. So for example, I want to decrease speed of this part, so that's why I will click on it. So after this, again click on speed, and then here is the options of normal. So click on it and then move these options to the left side. So you can see when I will play now, this part is more slower than other part. So guys, in this way you can decrease speed in CapCut. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.